Did you know that Facebook and Instagram include built-in restrictions that limit how much sensitive or adult-oriented content you can see by default? In this guide, I'll show you how to adjust those settings on both apps so you can control what appears in your feed. The steps are similar on iPhone, Android, and even desktop, and I'll start with Facebook first. On Facebook, open the app and tap the menu icon, bottom right on iPhone, top right or three-line menu depending on your device. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Preferences section, and tap Content Preferences. Next, choose Sensitive Content. You'll see an option that explains what counts as sensitive material, including things like suggestive or graphic posts. To see more of this type of content, adjust the setting from the default Show Less option to the available Standard/Default Viewing option, then confirm your choice. Now let's move on to Instagram. Open the app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right. Scroll down to the section labeled What You See, and select Content Preferences. From there, tap Sensitive Content Control. You can tap Learn More if you want details on how it works. Keep in mind that accounts for users under 18 have restrictions that cannot be fully removed. To change the setting, switch it from Less to More, which allows a higher amount of sensitive content to appear in your recommendations and feed. Once selected, the change will apply to your account preferences. And that's it. By adjusting these settings on both Facebook and Instagram, you can control how much sensitive content is shown based on your preferences and age eligibility.